Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares, and today we're going to be making a rag blanket. In this segment, we're going to talk about choosing a layout for your pattern. Since we're working with squares, graph paper is always easy to use because we can just follow the lines on here. We talked about making it 6 wide and 7 long. There are 2 very traditional ways to lay this out, which would be in a diamond shape where you find the center. You build out with a different fabric. The different color of ink is going to indicate a different fabric to us to help us remember what we're doing when we're laying it out. A diagonal layout where you start in a corner and build out diagonally from there. And then you repeat with the same color schemes. And we are going to show you an example of this in just a minute if you don't understand the dots and the boxes. Okay, this quilt that we have laid out here is showing the diagonal pattern where you can see that it's going diagonal, and we have a solid color border on the top and bottom just for a little contrast. But we've started one and then we build off of it going diagonally on it. Okay, and this quilt is showing a diamond shape. So we've started with a patch in the middle and built off in a diamond shape around that.